She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is in dedication to my mother. Today is her heavenly birthday, and I decided to go ahead and make her a cake. And this cake is called the Redbird cake. So if you guys watched my video about the hummingbird cake, this is now the Redbird cake, because the Redbird is something that reminds me of her every time I see it. So I decided in memory I would make her this lovely cake. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using for the cake today. Alright guys, so those are the ingredients that we're going to be using, and together this is going to make a wonderful Redbird cake that I'm sure you'll enjoy. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is that red bird cake. Usually it does have an actual red bird sitting on top of it, but I didn't have time to get that. So it usually does have rosemary, which I have right here. And then I just went ahead and added some sprinkles that I have, which happen to be red and black. So to me that reminds me of a cardinal or a red bird. So I went ahead and added that. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what we've got inside. And again, this is a 3-layer cake, you guys. So it's definitely gonna be a nice size cake. Alright, you guys see King back there. He's ready to lay down. These plates are actually plates that my mom gave me when I first got my first place, and I still have them. They're a little tattered, but I feel like I could never throw them away. See that? Can you see it? Look. So we've got the cherries in there, and we've got the pecans, and then there's all sorts of good warm spices like ginger and cinnamon in there. And we've got that homemade cream cheese frosting on there. You see it on there? Look at all that. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this cake, guys. It's nice and moist. I feel like I want to get a piece of cherry on there too. Here's you guys a bite. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Alright, let's take a bite. There's also bananas in here, guys. I've never made this cake before, but it is scrumptious. It's so moist and delicate. And then, like I said, it's got all sorts of delicious fruits in here with the cherries, the bananas, the pecans, and then the cream cheese. It somewhat reminds me of like a carrot cake, but no carrots. Alright, so I'm sure my mom would definitely have loved this cake. Should have been like, Shannon, you outdid yourself. And I said, it's all for you, Mom, because I love you. And that's what this cake is. It's full of love, guys. Definitely give this a try. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today for today's special dedication video. I truly appreciate that. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had this red bird cake before, or if you tried my hummingbird cake. Share this video out. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.